Welcome to Email Triage Console. Log in securely using your BDB platform credentials to access real-time monitoring and intelligent operations for your command center. The console opens on a live clock in Manila time. Everyone on the floor is working the same minute. One shared mailbox, filtered by location, Manila and Pune working the same queue from one source. Emails in this inbox. Still awaiting first touch. Already critical. Need attention soon, are closed, and every tile is a filter, not just a number. The mix tells the story, invoices, queries, and only the system can't classify. Categorization happens on arrival, so nobody sorts mail before starting work. 3 views of the same inbox, the open queue, what's been acknowledged, and what's waiting on approval. Approval sitting it means nothing is stuck waiting on a manager right now. Filter by supplier, category, priority, or strip it down to unread only when you're clearing a backlog. Critical sits at the top with a red edge, overdue invoices, the oldest flag to go. Every row already carries its supplier, category, priority, and owner, Miguel Torres in Manila. Below that, high priority, items aging between N hours. Not everything is an invoice. A portal login issue is tagged as a query and routed the same way. Acknowledging takes one click, the item is claimed, and the rest of the floor sees it leave the open queue. Open items across pages, and the ordering means page is always the work that matters. Now the SLA dashboard. Same emails from the inbox, but scored against target, so a team lead can see what's slipping without opening anything. Tickets total, that ties exactly to the inbox count. Still open. And the headline, within SLA against breached. That's % compliance. Tickets are already overdue, and more fall due before end of day, so the backlog isn't static, it's still growing. Response time is hours. Resolution time is. Mail is being seen quickly, it's the follow-through that's slow. Day compliance holds at 1%, collapses to by the, then recovers. And here's why. Volume goes from emails a day to. Compliance broke when intake quadrupled. Beside it, the status donut splits the same population 3 ways. The at-risk slice is the actionable one, those tickets haven't breached yet, and a lead can still save them. The breaches are concentrated in high priority, not critical. Critical items are getting attention, the tier below is where it leaks. And here's the explanation for that dip. Daily volume climbs from emails on the. Compliance broke when intake roughly quadrupled, capacity didn't scale with the spike. The aging chart shows where the open backlog sits. Tickets under hours, but roughly more sitting between N days old, and a handful past. Anything in that right-hand tail has almost certainly breached already. The 2 cycle time trends move together, which tells you they share a cause rather than being 2 separate problems. And then breach by location. Pune is carrying around breaches against Manilas, with a few unassigned. That's a routing and coverage question, not a competence one, and it's exactly the kind of thing that's invisible in a raw mailbox. These read together. Of the tickets are classified as invoice, and invoice is also the top breach category. So the highest volume queue is also the worst performing one. Everything above is diagnosis. This table is the to-do list. Top tickets ranked by SLA risk, worst first. The at the top has been open hours against a hour target. Every row shows the sender, elapsed time against target. And breach status, so a lead can work straight down this list without opening a single email to triage it. One shared mailbox, every email classified, prioritized and scored against target the moment it arrives. No sorting, no spreadsheets, no guessing what to work on first. Thank you for watching.